This is Rick from DuraCoat, and today we're going to do some DuraBlue. Comes in a liquid form and an aerosol. And today we're going to do the liquid form, and we're going to spray it through a spray gun. And first of all, you would shake it up. You would do that normally for 3 minutes. I've already pre-shaken it, so. And then you would open your container. You should probably put your glasses on. And then you'd run it through this filter, which is provided with your order. And I'm using a waxed paper cup, and I also have another wax cup that I'm going to do my measuring in. And the ratio on this is 12:1, which would be 12 parts of DuraBlue to 1 part of hardener, and that's measured out to 2 tablespoons of the DuraBlue, and 1/2 teaspoon of the DuraBlue hardener. And you swirl it around a little bit, or if you have a soda straw or something, that would work. And then we'll go over to the booth and put it in our spray gun. Okay, now that we're at the spray booth, we got our pre-mixed DuraCoat / DuraBlue here. And we're gonna grab the spray gun and put that in there. And of course, put on your respirator. Okay, first here we're going to do a little test spray and put on very light layer. Then you're going to let it flash a little bit. Go with the second layer. Nice even layers. Let it flash out. And let it flash again. And this is a heavier wet layer. Nice and even. And we are done. Now that we're done with the DuraBlue, one of these containers will cover at least 2 barreled actions. Same with the DuraCoat aerosol. I would not put any chemicals on it for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and you can assemble after an overnight dry. And that is the DuraBlue.